Every night during your Place at 7 throughout the show tonight. I don't know which camera I was supposed to be.
I think this camera. We're out of time.
All right, thanks so much for joining us.
Oh, we had 20 seconds. I thought you said we had 10 seconds.
You cut me off, so now I feel like the need.
What a company, Kristen and Kristen Hair Products.
Sorry, apparently I have the superior name.
Okay. Let me call my
It's
mom
easier
real
to
quick
say.
and see if she can change it. Let's all get out our banana phones and ring Gwen Stefani, because our first story is BANANAS. I apologize for that one.
Okay, the legs, the shorts, if I could show you.
You can really lift your leg up there.
We're going to be going to shorts. What are you doing, Christina? What was going on? You picked up a little stick over there, then you moved it. What happened?
I have too many jobs for one person. I should be doing one thing.
Let me just move it out here. See, this is how she does the Facebook Live. Speaking of hot, I probably shouldn't say that, should I? I got in trouble the other night for saying that. Okay, I'm going to come over.
Yeah, come on,
I am not harassing these beautiful
You're
ladies.
talking about the story content that's about to be on.
Yes, that's what I'm
We're
talking
talking
about.
about hot topics, because that's what we talked about
Yes.
at 7. All right, Shark Week can just move aside, because we are currently in the midst of Fat Bear Week, and people are filling out brackets like it's March Madness. All right, thanks so much for joining us this evening. We're so glad you joined us. Good night.
A joke that my grandfather told me.
Okay.
It's so hot, I saw a dog chasing a fire hydrant. Okay, think about it. Think about it. Alex got it in the studio. You got it at home too. Okay, the ladies got to think about it.
All I know is that I'm getting told that we're short on
Yeah,
time.
Okay, all right, I'm not thinking that goat crashed into anything. It looks
It
like
said it
just
crashed through the door.
I think it just kind of wandered in. It didn't, I mean, did you see how it was?
Everything we just said is a lie, because
I
Jack
think-
has a different
I don't
theory.
know. I think the goat had been drinking or something.
Now you're accusing him of being drunk?
Well, he looked awfully,
He's innocent.
I got to tell you, I was a little frightened there for just a minute. I sensed you out of the corner of my eye over there, and I thought you were on the ground. And I thought, were you on the floor for a
Yeah, I
minute?
was just sitting.
Oh, see,
I'm
I got
wearing high
worried.
heels,
I
you
thought,
know.
I thought something was wrong. I'm like, should I go check on her?
No, I'm good.
We're glad
I'm
you're
just
okay.
wearing high heels, and you know, it's a standing
All right,
show,
so it was not on my mind. I did sense this.
What do you call a nosy pepper?
Okay, what?
Jalapeno business?
Oh, nice. Why did the golfer wear 2 pairs of pants? Because he had a hole in one.
This is not the right video, though. That's a little girl who looks super excited about whatever Santa got her, though. So happy birthday to Natalie and her Taco Bell shirt. We'll just move on to the next story now.
No, I heard about it on the news.
I think you're.
And then
I think
you
you're
get
off
the free
script.
ice cream. Well, you know that's going to happen somewhere. There's going to be this guy Skippy at the
don't-
counter. You're going to ask for your free ice cream. Skippy's going to go, I don't know what you're talking about. You know. And we're going to have to explain it to him.
You don't think their employees are briefed on free ice cream day?
I don't know.
It's from 2019. Oh, well, he was going to, but now I guess we don't have the video. So, excuse me while I get my script to the right spot.
I've said it before, I'll say it again. Only at 7 o'clock will you see news like that.
Exactly.
No? Oh, I thought you wanted me to be done. I saw you over there.
No.
Oh, I'll just walk back.
Sorry, I thought you had-
Well,
didn't
see,
you have
Tony,
more-
here's the deal. Tony in the back, our director.
Well, I thought
he's
you were
like
going to go through all of the
Well, I
forecasts.
was, but Tony, I can hear he sound panicked in my earpiece. He's like, 15, 10, you're out
Are
of
we
time.
short on time? Do we need to go to break?
I guess so. Well, the way Tony was talking, so we're done.
All right, we're going to go to break.
Okay.